Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be this look right here. So I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a really long time, and I haven't done a makeup tutorial with bright colors in a really long time. I think the last one was my Jaclyn Hill palettes tutorial. I'm pretty sure that was the last time I used any type of color on my eyes. So I wanted to do a nice fun little eye look. If you don't follow me on social media, then you don't know, but yellow is my absolute favorite color. As of recently, I love everything yellow. I love it so much. So since I loved yellow so much, I really wanted to do a yellow eye look, and I've been seeing a lot of yellow eye looks go around, and I was like, well, let me do one myself. I really wanted to do a cut crease with like the liner kind of thing. I know a lot of people do it with like glitter, but I kind of wanted to do white kind of to like bring it out more. And yeah, this is what I came up with. It's super easy. I honestly only used about like 3 yellow eyeshadows, like a shimmery shade for my lid and then the yellow liner. It's super easy. Thank God I had a bunch of yellows in a bunch of palettes that I had. So yeah, just a little disclaimer, I do use a lot of palettes in this video just because there isn't a palette with just a bunch of yellows in it. So I use a bunch of yellows from like different palettes just so I can get the look that I wanted. Yeah, so for today's video, I'm just going to solely focus on the eyes. You guys have seen me do my face makeup a whole bunch of times, and I felt like it was just going to be pretty boring and repetitive if I just show you the same steps over and over again. So if you guys want to know what I did use for my face and my lip color, I will leave everything down below, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. Before you guys watch the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. I would appreciate that so much. And also don't forget to hit that little notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time I do upload a video. And if you guys want to see more looks with a lot of colors, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That way I know. And if you don't want to see makeup tutorials with a lot of colors, still give this video a thumbs up. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Hey beauties! First off, I want to apologize for how pale I'm looking right now. I haven't self-tanned when I recorded this video, so please bear with me. But like always, I've already have my eyebrows done and I already primed my eyes, and now I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking the first shade, which is going to be my transition shade. I'm using the color Burnt Orange, and I'm using a big fluffy brush, and I'm just kind of brushing this all over kind of messily. And the next palette that I'm going to use is an oldie but a goodie. Give me a thumbs up if you remember this palette or if you even have this palette. But I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Artist Palette, and I'm using this really bright yellow Phresh. It's really intense, as you can see. A little bit goes a long way. And kind of like the Burnt Orange, I'm kind of just throwing this all over my lid. This is kind of our primary color. I'm just going to put this literally all over. Now moving on to the next palette, I'm using a really old Morphe palette. You can tell it's really old because it has a mirror on it. Morphe palettes don't have mirrors in it. But anyways, I'm using this yellow because I kind of want it to be a little bit brighter because it was turning a little bit orange and not so much yellow, so I'm just using that color. Now I'm just going to start cutting my crease, and I'm using my Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer with a little flat concealer brush, I guess it is. But if you guys don't know how to do a cut crease, just watch what I do. It's a little easier to watch than for me to explain. But basically what I do is just take the concealer, lay it on my lid, I look up, and then wherever the concealer lays on my lid, that's where my crease is. So that's when I just start outlining my crease, and that's basically all it is. Like I said, it's a little easier to watch what I'm doing than for me to explain it, but I just take the concealer and just start covering my whole lid, and not completely the whole lid, we're just doing a half cut crease. So the next palette that I use is the Colourpop Cute AF Yes Please palette, and I'm going in with the shade right here. It's called Spoiled. It's like a really shimmery gold kind of shade, and I'm just applying this all over where I applied my concealer. I didn't apply any powder prior to applying the shimmery shade because I wanted the most intensity of this shimmery shade, if that makes any sense. I just wanted the concealer to be really tacky so the eyeshadow has something to stick on. Then with the same brush that I applied the shimmery shade with, I start blending the two shades together. That way that there's not a really distinct line there, just so that the colors start blending in together. And then I just take any yellow shade that I use from the palette and then start blending them together. Now I'm going to start outlining the cut crease with the white eyeliner. This one is specifically from Urban Decay. I don't remember the exact name of it, but I will leave it down in the description bar, like I always do with all the products that I use. So basically this is kind of self-explanatory. I'm just tracing where I have my cut crease. You want to have a steady hand for this because you can really fuck up like really easily. So just go in with a light hand and then slowly start tracing it. Now for lashes, I'm going in with the Lily Lashes times Sephora collection lashes in the style MYKONOS, and these are very full lashes. I love them so much. Now moving on to the lower lash line, I'm just taking a flat definer brush from Sigma and I'm going back into the Colourpop palette and I'm using the yellow color that they have in there, and it's called French Kiss, I believe? Yeah, French Kiss, and I'm just applying that all over my lower lash line. Now for my waterline, I'm just using a NYX white eyeliner, and clearly I can't open it, and clearly I can't put it on. Like, I need to look really close into the mirror, so just know that I put the white eyeliner on my waterline. And then I just go in with mascara and just coat my bottom lashes. And then for my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm just using my Ofra x Nikki Tutorial highlighter, and I'm just using the pale white highlighter and obviously just putting that in my inner corner and brow bone. Alright beauties, so that is the complete look. Like I said, super easy. I only used a couple of products. It's super easy to achieve. If you guys want to know what I use for the rest of my face, for like my face makeup and my lip colors, that would all be listed down below, so make sure you check that out. And like always, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Also go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms, that way we can be friends. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!